Number 41 is a song that uses both notes and chords, and if you notice, there is a beat 4 here as a pickup note. Here's the bar line, and again we put 1, 2, 3 as rests, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3 for free, but you're actually going to start on beat 4 of this music. It's a pickup note. All right, now let's analyze it before we go on. It's always good to analyze, or what we call sight read, a song before you play it. That way you know what's coming up. We're starting on the high E string, jumping around. Now we're down to the 3rd string, down to the 4th string, and back around. So this song utilizes all 4 strings that we've learned so far. Now another good thing to watch for when you're playing a song with notes, just like what you do with chords, is look for common fingers or finger patterns. If you notice, it's 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. A lot of 3s and 1. Here's some zeros. 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 1, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 0, 0. So the only fingers you're using on this is 3 and 1 and opens. That's it. No finger 2s like an A on this piece of music. So that might help as well. Do you also notice you're going back and forth a lot? 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. So there are some back and forth patterns here between finger 3 and finger 1. So keep that in mind as you play this song, as you learn this song. Now before we play this song, I did notice a couple of little typos right here. It says F right here for these 2 notes, but in reality those 2 notes right there should be a G. So you can scratch those out and write a G there if you like. This one is an F, so that's right. So don't let that throw you off if you're still learning the names of the notes. I did make those mistakes there. So see, even teachers make mistakes, right? So let's start from the beginning, and I'll give you 1, 2, 3, and you're in on 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. And there we go. It's a lot of moving around between the strings. And the thing that I notice a lot of students when I've been teaching this is they'll get the fingers right on the right hand, but then their left hand isn't keeping up. So they're still playing, let's say, the top E string when they move to the 2nd string or the 3rd string. So make sure that you change your hand on the right hand as well as the left hand. When you're picking, pick the right string that your hand is moving to as well. All right, so let's go ahead and play the chords. Ready? Now this one starts on beat 4, but notice the G chord is above the first full measure. So that means we're going to start the chords on beat 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Next line. D7, C, G. And there you go. So practice not only the notes, but also the chords, and find a nice strumming pattern that you like to play with as well. Have a good time with this, and I'll see you in the next one.